Most trusted solar energy companies. Solar energy companies are helping power the transition to a cleaner, more resilient energy future by developing, designing, installing, operating, and maintaining solar energy systems for homes, businesses, utilities, manufacturers, and communities. From rooftop solar and community solar projects to utility-scale solar farms, these companies generate clean electricity, lower energy costs, strengthen energy independence, and support long-term economic growth. But not every solar energy company and its local supplier, workforce, and community partners deliver the same value. For utilities, project owners, governments, commercial real estate developers, investors, manufacturers, and communities, choosing the right solar energy partner requires more than technical expertise. The most trusted companies demonstrate engineering excellence, responsible procurement, regulatory readiness, local supplier participation, workforce development, and measurable community benefits. Before selecting a solar energy partner, ask 3 important questions. How will this project create opportunities for local suppliers and small businesses? What measurable workforce and community benefits will this investment deliver? How will your company engage local stakeholders and demonstrate its community impact? While every project is different, the answers reveal whether a company is simply generating renewable energy or creating lasting value for the communities it serves. Local content is the measurable economic value created through local suppliers, local workforce, and community benefits. Local Content's Most Trusted Solar Energy Companies list. Part of the Local Content Most Trusted Companies program recognizes organizations that complete additional due diligence, demonstrating leadership in responsible infrastructure development, workforce development, stakeholder engagement, and measurable local economic impact. Explore the Local Content Most Trusted Solar Energy Companies list and learn how to earn local content certification by visiting localcontent.com/list.